Hi everyone, welcome to Shuvo Imtiaz Digital's YouTube channel. If you're new to digital marketing or want to grow your business online, today's video is for you. I'm going to share the top 5 free tools every digital marketer should use to save time, create great content, and get better results. Plus, I have one extra tool that's really helpful too. Let's get started. The first tool is ChatGPT. This is an AI-powered chatbot that can help you write many things like social media posts, emails, ads, blog ideas, and many more. If you ever get stuck and don't know what to write, just ask ChatGPT. It can give you creative ideas fast and even help you improve your writing. For example, you can ask, write a caption for my Facebook post about new shoes, and it will give you options. It's like having a writing assistant that never sleeps. Best of all, the basic version is free to use. Tool number 2 is Canva. The next tool is Canva. This is a simple and easy to use design tool that helps you make beautiful images for your social media posts, flyers, banners, and even videos. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Canva gives you lots of templates, photos, and fonts to choose from. Just drag and drop what you like and customize it to match your style. With Canva, you can create eye-catching posts that make your business look professional. And yes, it's free to start. The third tool is Google Trends. This tool shows you what people are searching on Google right now. It helps you find popular topics and trends that are interesting to your audience. For example, if you want to write a blog or make a video, you can use Google Trends to see what's hot. This way, your content will be more relevant and likely to get more views. It's a simple way to stay up to date and create content that people want. Tool number 4 is Facebook Ads Library. This is a free place where you can see ads that other businesses are running on Facebook and Instagram. If you want to learn what kind of ads work well or get ideas for your own campaigns, this tool is perfect. You can search for brand names or keywords to see real examples. It's like spying on your competitors, but legally. It helps you create better ads and avoid common mistakes. Number 5 is Google Keyword Planner. This tool helps you find the right keywords to use in your website, blog, or ads. Keywords are the words people type when they search on Google. If you use the right keywords, more people will find your business online. Google Keyword Planner shows you how many people search for certain words and how hard it is to rank for them. It's very helpful for planning your marketing strategy. You can use it for free with a Google Ads account. And here's our honorable mention, that is Buffer. Buffer is a social media scheduling tool. It lets you plan and schedule your posts ahead of time on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So instead of posting every day, you can prepare all your posts once and Buffer will share them automatically. This saves you a lot of time and helps keep your accounts active. Buffer has a free plan that's great for beginners as well. Well, that's it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Tell me in the comments which tool you want to try first. Thanks for watching Chewing Test Digital's YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.